Welcome to this complete Gothenburg, Sweden travel guide. Nestled on the west coast of Sweden, Gothenburg, or Gothenburg as the locals call it, is a vibrant city that seamlessly blends the charm of the old with the zest of the new. Its unique features, from the cobblestone streets of the Haga district to the modern Volvo Museum, make it a must-visit for globetrotters. Throughout this journey, we will explore 10 remarkable places in this city. Get ready to experience the thrills of Liseberg amusement park, unravel the mysteries of the Universium, and bask in the serenity of the Gothenburg archipelago. We'll also visit the Gothenburg Museum of Art, explore the lush Slottsskogen Park, indulge in seafood at Fiskekårka, and immerse ourselves in the history of Skansen-Kronan. Lastly, we'll find tranquility in the Botanical Garden, a true testament to the city's love for green spaces. So buckle up, we're about to embark on a virtual tour of Gothenburg, a gem of a city in the heart of Sweden. First stop, the Liseberg amusement park, a place that's sure to bring out the child in you. This beloved park is more than just rides and cotton candy, it's a hub of excitement and a testament to Sweden's love for fun. From the heart-dropping thrill of the atmosphere, the tallest freefall ride in Europe, to the more serene fairy tale castle, there's something for every age and every level of adrenaline junkie. In between the screams and laughter, take a moment to bask in the park's vibrant atmosphere. The park is alive with the sound of joy, the smell of sweet treats, and a sense of community that's hard to beat. And let's not forget the seasonal events that transform Liseberg into a winter wonderland or a Halloween haunt. Liseberg is a place where fun meets adventure, a must-visit when you're in Gothenburg. Next, we visit Universium, a place where learning meets fun. This interactive science center is a thrilling fusion of a zoo, an aquarium, and a museum. As you wander through its 7 floors, you'll encounter everything from exotic rainforest critters to innovative tech exhibits. Universium invites you to touch, play, and explore. You might find yourself in the heart of a lush rainforest surrounded by vibrant butterflies and chatty birds. Or perhaps you'll dive beneath the ocean's surface, marveling at the kaleidoscope of tropical fish and sleek sharks. For the tech-savvy and curious minds, the interactive exhibits offer a glimpse into the cutting-edge world of science and technology. You can get hands-on with robotics, unravel the mysteries of space, or even experience the thrill of a spacewalk. This place isn't just for the youngsters, it's a playground for all ages, where curiosity and imagination are your tickets to adventure. Universium, where the universe becomes your playground. Now let's explore the Gothenburg archipelago, a tranquil escape from the city. Imagine a cluster of islands, each with its distinct charm, nestled in the gentle embrace of the North Sea. That's the Gothenburg archipelago for you. With its rugged coastline and quaint villages, it's a world away from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Sailing, kayaking, or simply hopping on a ferry, the archipelago is an adventurer's dream. And for those who prefer a slower pace, there's nothing quite like a leisurely walk through the winding paths, surrounded by the scent of sea and wildflowers. The island culture here is unique, and so are the locals. You're as likely to stumble upon an impromptu fiddle concert as you are to find a cozy cafe serving the freshest of seafood. The Gothenburg archipelago, a paradise of serenity and natural beauty, a place where time seems to stand still, inviting you to do the same. Time to immerse ourselves in the world of art at the Gothenburg Museum of Art. Sheltering under its roof is a treasure trove of Nordic creativity, spanning from the late 16th century to the present day. As we delve deeper into the museum, we encounter the works of celebrated artists such as Carl Larsson, Ernst Josephson, and Bruno Liljefors, their masterpieces immortalizing the essence of Scandinavian culture. This museum isn't just a gallery, it's a catalyst for artistic expression, hosting a plethora of exhibitions, workshops, and lectures throughout the year. It's a place where art enthusiasts, scholars, and novices alike can engage in meaningful dialogue, sparking fresh ideas and fostering a deep appreciation for the arts. The Gothenburg Museum of Art houses the world's finest collection of Nordic art. But its true value lies in its commitment to nurturing and promoting artistic talent, ensuring that the flame of creativity continues to burn bright in Sweden. The Gothenburg Museum of Art, a beacon of creativity and inspiration. Next, we stroll through the historic Haga district, a charming slice of Gothenburg's past. This quaint neighborhood, with its cobblestone streets and wooden houses, transports you straight back to the 19th century. It is a testament to the city's architectural prowess with its well-preserved structures and unique Scandinavian designs. But Haga is not just a sight for the eyes. It's a feast for the senses. The district is renowned for its bustling commercial scene. Imagine yourself meandering through the streets, browsing through an array of unique boutiques, antique shops and bookstores. And when the shopping tires you out, you can always find solace in one of the many cozy cafés or gourmet restaurants that dot the district. What's more, Haga's history is as rich as its dining options. Once a working-class district in the 1800s, it has transformed into a beloved part of the city, a place where history and modernity coexist beautifully. Haga district, where history and charm intertwine. Let's take a breath of fresh air at Slottskogen Park, Gothenburg's green lung. This sprawling urban park spans over 137 hectares and is often considered the city's playground. It's a marvelous place to relax, picnic, or engage in recreational activities. The park is not just a green space, but a mini zoo. It's home to a variety of wildlife, from native Nordic animals like elk and Gotland ponies to more exotic creatures like penguins and seals. Birdwatchers will also be thrilled to discover the park's aviary, featuring a wide range of feathered friends. For the nature lovers, the park offers an extensive network of walking trails winding through enchanting forests and around picturesque lakes. And if you're in the mood for some history, you could visit the park's old mill and windmill, both standing as reminders of Gothenburg's agricultural past. Slottskogen Park, a haven of tranquility in the heart of the city. Next, we visit Fiskekårka, a unique culinary experience for seafood lovers. Stepping into this bustling fish market, you're immediately surrounded by the fresh and salty scent of the sea, a testament to the quality of the seafood on offer here. Fiskekårka, meaning fish church in Swedish, is a nod to the building's church-like architecture, a striking feature that has made it a notable landmark in Gothenburg since it was built in the late 19th century. Within these hallowed halls, vendors sell a stunning variety of seafood, from the humble herring to the luxurious lobster, all sourced from the surrounding waters. You can even find the famous Swedish delicacy surströmming if you're brave enough to try it. Alongside the market, there are also several seafood restaurants where you can taste the freshest catch cooked to perfection. Whether you're a seafood connoisseur or a curious traveler, Fiskekårka offers a truly immersive experience. Fiskekårka, where seafood is a religion. For car enthusiasts, our next stop is the Volvo Museum, a tribute to Sweden's automotive history. Nestled in the heart of Gothenburg, this museum is a veritable treasure trove of Scandinavian engineering marvels. It's a dedication to the spirit of Volvo, a company that has been driving innovation since the early 20th century. The museum showcases an impressive collection of vintage cars, trucks, and other vehicles, each holding a unique place in Volvo's rich history. From the very first Volvo OV4, affectionately known as Jakob, to the contemporary hybrid models, the museum takes you on a journey through a century of automotive evolution. In addition to the vehicles, the museum also houses a collection of Volvo's marine and aeronautical endeavors. It's not just about cars, it's about a relentless pursuit of perfection and innovation. The Volvo Museum is more than just a museum, it's a testament to the enduring legacy of Volvo. The Volvo Museum, a journey through the evolution of automobiles. Now we climb to Skansen-Kronan, a historic fortress with a panoramic city view. This 17th century gem sits atop Liseberg hill, a testament to Sweden's military past. Constructed under the reign of Charles VIII Gustav, Skansen-Kronan was a strategic masterpiece designed to protect the city from potential Danish attacks. But don't worry, the only invading forces today are throngs of tourists. The fortress's 34 cannons never fired a single shot in anger, but they sure do make a great photo opportunity. The fortress itself is a sight to behold, with its distinctive round shape and its crown-like dome. The climb to Skansen-Kronan might leave you a bit winded, but the reward is well worth it. From atop the fortress, you're treated to a breathtaking view of Gothenburg. The city unfolds beneath you, from the bustling city center to the serene archipelago in the distance. Skansen-Kronan, where history meets breathtaking views. Finally, we unwind at the Botanical Garden, a colorful oasis in the city. This isn't your run-of-the-mill garden, folks. It's a sprawling canvas of nature's finest masterpieces, boasting one of Europe's largest and most impressive plant collections. From the delicate blossoms of the rhododendron valley to the towering trees in the arboretum, it's a feast for the senses and a paradise for plant enthusiasts. But it's not just about the greenery. This place plays a pivotal role in the world of conservation. The Botanical Garden is at the forefront of preserving endangered species and contributes to global research on plant diversity. It's a beacon of sustainability, weaving together beauty and science in perfect harmony. So whether you're a green thumb or just someone who appreciates the serenity of nature, the Botanical Garden offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Botanical Garden, where nature's beauty is at its best. What a journey it's been exploring the diverse attractions of Gothenburg. We've screamed our lungs out at Liseberg amusement park and marveled at the wonders of the Universium. We've taken in the breathtaking views of the Gothenburg archipelago and admired the masterpieces at the Gothenburg Museum of Art. We've strolled through the charming Haga district and experienced the tranquility of Slottsskogen Park. We've savored the freshest seafood at Feskakorka, the Fish Church, and geeked out at the Volvo Museum. We've scaled the historical Skansen Kronen and basked in the beauty of the Botanical Garden. Each location offers a unique perspective of Gothenburg, a city that beautifully blends modernity with tradition, urban life with nature. It's a place where thrilling roller coasters coexist with serene archipelagos, and where world-class museums are just a stone's throw from picturesque parks. That concludes our virtual tour of Gothenburg, a city that truly has something for everyone. We hope this guide has inspired you to visit and explore the city in person.